My name is Courtney Buchanan. I have lived in Cheyenne for a year now. I moved from Las Vegas back last February as I came on as a manager at the Metropolitan downtown. I'm currently the general manager of the Central Café, which I love. I love working for Sam and Stacy Galiotis. I've been with them for a year now. I moved out here because I wanted a better life for my family. I wanted my son to be able to go camping all summer, to be able to live more of a wholesome lifestyle than being in Las Vegas. And other than the cold winter, I love the summers. I love being able to be active all summer long and not be stuck inside because it's 120 degrees outside. And I just love the community. I love the people. It's such a family-oriented town, and I feel like there's so much to offer. So it's definitely, I believe, is going to be a great place to raise my family and live and grow.